In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn up the brightness on Affinity Photo. We'll do this in a non-destructive way so you can revisit your edits at any time and keep your original image safe. First, go to Jupyter. This just means get to your working document in Affinity Photo with the image you want to brighten visible on the canvas. Make sure the photo you plan to adjust is open and selected so your changes apply where you expect. At the very top of the interface, click Pixel. That's the pixel persona, and it ensures you're editing raster pixels with all the core photo tools. If you're not already there, switching now helps keep things straightforward for photo adjustments. Next, move your cursor to the Layer menu and hover over New Adjustment Layer. A list of adjustments will appear. Adjustment layers are ideal because they sit above your image and can be fine-tuned, hidden, or removed at any time without permanently altering the original. From that list, choose Brightness, Contrast. Affinity adds an adjustment layer above your image and opens controls with two sliders. To brighten the photo, drag the brightness slider to the right. Small, steady moves are best so you don't clip highlights. Watch areas like skies and skin. If they start to wash out, ease back or add a touch of contrast to restore punch. For midtones that feel flat, a moderate brightness increase, say 10 to 20 points, often works well, while very dark shots may need more. Toggle the preview option to compare before and after as you adjust. Because it's an adjustment layer, you can fine-tune the effect by lowering the layer's opacity or paint on its mask with a soft brush to brighten only specific parts of the image. To keep the result natural, avoid pushing both sliders too far. Balancing a small brightness lift with subtle contrast usually looks cleaner. When you're happy, name the adjustment layer for easy organization. And remember, you can always double-click its thumbnail to revisit the sliders. That's all it takes to turn up brightness in Affinity Photo. Open your document, switch to the pixel persona, add a brightness, contrast adjustment layer, and fine-tune the settings until the image looks right. Save your work in the native file format to preserve layers, and export a copy when you're ready to share.